contribution to a unique fly past here. Well, we're going to end this air festival far too quickly in my reckoning, but we're going to end it with a bang and we're going to go out big time. There's a lot of noise coming your way, so be prepared for this, please, if you have children and animals with you at any time. This is the best of the best, the top of the tree, and flying in his second tour, of course, as a display pilot, Flight Lieutenant Jim Peterson. The statistics are incredible. It breaks off to lift off in 8 seconds, breaks off to 35,000 feet and a speed of Mach 1.5, 1.5 times the speed of sound in just 2.5 minutes. Two massive Eurojet EJ200 turbofans producing a joint 40,000 pounds worth of thrust. Take a look at the hard points on this jet because it carries a vast array of equipment as well. ASRAAM, AMRAAM missiles, the gun, of course 27 millimeters, and all those enhanced. From the right now to tell you about this, please welcome Mike Trokis.
Good afternoon, Bournemouth, and here is Jim riding at 600 miles an hour. Showing the acceleration of the Eurofighter Typhoon, the UK's main combat aircraft. Accelerating all the way to 600 miles an hour. Get your cameras ready. Here he comes. Again, those forces mean he can't even lift his arms up while he's in the cockpit. And doing quite the opposite now, he'll do a 495-degree aileron roll and do a -3G push. Look out closely for the vapor trail of fuel coming from the wings. Sorry, that's from the stern. Jim alert during this display is his vital kit, his compression suit or the anti-G suit. And now really showing how slow and how fast the contrast. Jim will be doing a slow pass at 120 miles an hour. Get your cameras ready for when he puts on the reheat and does a slow and dirty loop. miles an hour at the top speed in Typhoon. If you felt dizzy before, get ready for the 1440-degree aileron roll. One of my personal favourite manoeuvres, the barrel roll, in which Jim looks like he's doing a skid mid-air. Climbing all the way to 8,000 feet in a matter of seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, your 2019 Typhoon display at Bournemouth Air Festival.
There for leading us through that outstanding display. Put your hands together, not just for that Typhoon, which was exceptional, brought to us by Morgan Sindall, but to the entire command and management of the Bournemouth Air Festival. This 12th year, 4 days of fun, frolics, and outstanding air and activity and entertainment right through the entire area from